What the hell's going on, guys? Today I want to talk to you guys about my first YouTube payment and how I'm going to invest it like I said I would. So I think if you guys haven't checked it out already, feel free to check out the first episode where I basically just say, hey, I'm starting to make a little bit of money on YouTube. Maybe every couple months or so I'll get, a paycheck from YouTube, and basically I need something to do with it. So I guess for a fun purposes, a hobby, who knows, just to entertain you guys for content reasons. I'm going to invest it and see what happens to it, see what kind of dividends pay out on it, and every couple months or so, I'll just keep putting more and more money into it. Had a quick discussion with myself and some other friends and whatnot about what to put it into, and I figured a commission-free ETF that I get through Fidelity is probably the best thing to do. So I'm just going to do total stock market fund, total U.S. stock market. A little bit about it. Obviously, it's been running up with the rest of the market, but at the end of the day, if you continue to buy every other month or so, you can dollar cost average and end up making a pretty decent penny, in 5, 10, 15, maybe 20 years from now. Dividend yield isn't too great, 1.7%, but hey, I mean, if I end up getting like 250 shares or so every quarter or whatnot, I'll end up getting 50 so bucks. So can't complain with that. So I guess more so into the actual payment aspect of things. So you see May, I made about $27 whole from YouTube. Not too much. June was probably my best month ever. You guys might have seen it in some of my other videos. Made about $53, and so I ended up with the 115-ish dollars or so in my actual account, which isn't a lot of money, but I guess the point at which YouTube pays you is once you make $100 in a given month. So obviously July is you get paid out the next month, you make $100. So July, or I guess 2 or 3 days ago, I got this $114 into my actual bank account. So I can actually do whatever the hell I want with it. I could, go to, an Exxon or something and buy gas with it, or go buy Nutrageous. Nutrageous is pretty delicious. Do whatever the hell I want with it. I like investing. Investing is a hobby of mine, so I decided I'd invest it. So I made a separate YouTube Moolah Fidelity account so that we can invest the actual money. So here it is. I mean, let's just put it right into the fund and submit it. Put it into the actual account. We can refresh this bad boy. Let's check it. And it hasn't showed up yet, but I have $114, $115 in pending activity. With that, I can basically do anything. So I can go back to this, look at the actual chart, and say, okay, let's trade, and actually make an investment utilizing my YouTube Moolah account. This is actually pretty cool. I didn't think this would be as fun, but it's pretty fun. So honestly, always put in a stop limit of what you want. Whoop, not stop limit. Sorry, limit order. What you want. Let's just say nothing above 57. Good till canceled. Because 57 will put me over my limit, right? 57 times 2. Yeah. So anything above 57 would put me over my limit. So the reason why I'm doing 57 is obviously that's fine. Like I said, zero commission because it is a Fidelity ETF. Now, if I were to try to trade this and sell it within the first 30 days, I'd have to pay the sales commission of $4.95 per trade on Fidelity. But that's really it. I mean, I got basically what I want and got it invested. So let's just check it out if it showed up in activities and orders. So I added my money, and I have 2 shares at $57. And I assume it'll go through. I'll check it tomorrow morning when I get into work. But I'm really curious. So just utilizing that and it has a dollar or 1.7%, whatever you call it. So let's just call it 114 times 0.017. I just basically increased my yearly income by, $2, which is pretty cool. Or like just under 50 cents per quarter, which is also pretty cool. So unless companies, start to cut dividends and whatnot, then, I can guarantee on this 50 cents per quarter for life. And then hopefully in another couple months or so, I get another $100 or so from YouTube and continue the same process again and keep you guys posted. Of course, with that, I'll actually get some actual activity on the account instead of just showing, hey, I'm setting this buy order up. But no, I can actually show you guys, oh, I made, $1 or something off of this, or I've made however many dollars in dividends from it. So I'm really looking forward to sharing this with you guys, and I know this is kind of a boring video. You can't really see, the progress over time and everything like that, but I hope you guys decide that this is going to be some sort of cool series. I've never really done too many series on my YouTube channel, so looking forward to you guys following it and seeing it, how it grows, myself included, because this account is strictly going to be money I get from YouTube. So otherwise, appreciate you guys stopping by the channel. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and check out some of my other cool videos about maybe how I make close to about $300 a month in actual dividends. I made about $500 in passive income last month, including some of my YouTube money, but about 400 and some dollars of actual dividend income from like Shell and whatnot. I'm very transparent about everything that I show on the channel, so feel free to look at it, comment, form a community around it, ask questions. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to learn from you guys, and hopefully you guys learn something from me. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a good week.